Morning, Skipper Chris here from Fjord in Faroe Islands. Natalie and I are just getting ready to spring off. The wind is coming from the stern a little bit off there, so we're gonna use a technique to spring off the stern. But what we're gonna do today is something new. Let me show you. So we rig the line on the bow spring. This is going to be our motoring spring, yeah, and that is attached to the boat with an OXO, so in case it gets stuck on the pontoon, we can slip it from there. So what's new today is that we're just the two of us and the line is not long enough. So what I've done here is I've done it's called a Rustler's hitch. The Rustler's hitch, yeah. So that is you can pull that, you pull this line here and it opens up and we can get the line with us when we sail off. That's what we're going to try today. I have also made a slip line on the midship. It's always good to put a line on the midship because one line on the midship can hold the boat so it doesn't go anywhere when you are organizing all the lines. And then we have a line on the back here that's just OXO'd, so this one's going to be the first line to go. As I said, the wind is coming from the stern, a little bit off the port side, so we have to spring the stern out and get into the wind and past the wind, then the wind will help us to go out. Of course, dangers. We have a boat here behind us, so we also have to be careful with that. All right, one more thing I just want to highlight. As you know, people who sail with us know that we always have a big ball fender because best laid plans can go wrong. So in case we get too close to the pontoon and everything, we always have someone on the roaming fender just to put the big ball fender in between the boat and whatever we are getting close to.
Hello.
Good morning, Nathalie.
Morning.
Are you ready to spring us off?
Let me have a look. So how are we gonna get out of this flogger, you call it flogger for? So the wind is from the stern, as you can feel here, pulling forward. And what do we have now ready? We have a stern line, we have a midship, we have a bow line. And on the bow line we have a Rustler's slip.
Rustler's hitch.
Rustler's hitch that we will be motoring on the bow spring, and as we get the stern out, the wind will push us to the port, yeah, and give us enough space. There's plenty of water behind us, so we'll be as soon as we get enough angle, then we'll be slipping the bow spring and then reverse back. And then afterwards we'll put in a forward gear and turn the helm completely to the port and get us out, hopefully safely, of the harbour. Yeah, helm centered. And Chris, could you slip the stern line, please?
I can.
And afterwards, if you can come back on the boat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Side. All right, come on back on the boat. Okay, so I'm gonna go forward, engaging. Can you slip the midship, please, Chris? And then get ready with the roaming fender at the bow. Do some forward tick. Watch the bow, Chris. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I need to get enough angle. Yeah, can you slip the bow, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. Centering the helm. You okay? Clear?
All clear.
All right.
Super!
Rustler's Hitch.
Yes,
Work
we
well.
will be now here known as Cannot Le Braves Hitch.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.